In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on locked mode on your Opera Mini browser. So you're going to lock everything, your browsing history, downloads and everything. To do that, launch your Opera Mini browser like this. Tap on the logo bottom right corner of the screen. Good. And you can see locked mode here. Just tap on that. If you've not turned it on, it's going to be on disable. So you need to set a pin. So let me add a pin here. Let me make it 2026 because we're in 2026. Another 2026. And that's it. The pin has been set. So now setup recovery gem, just skip that. Good. So right now I'm in the locked mode. You get it. It's been turned on. So to turn it off, you just tap on it again once here to turn it off. You get me? So to turn it on, you come here and then you just turn it on like this, like incognito mode. So 1, 2. Sorry, I made a mistake. Rather, it's 2026. Sorry, 2026. To open that, so on this section, anything I do here is not going to be saved. It's going to be locked unless I unlock this section before I can see everything I did here. So if you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.